Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we've got the iconic Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. Let's start with the front. The first thing that catches your eye is the aggressive front bumper, featuring these large air intakes that help feed cool air to the engine. These intakes not only add to the car's performance, but also give it a menacing look. Moving up, we have the iconic Porsche headlights, which give a unique and recognizable face. As we continue our walk around, let's take a look at the wheels. The Carrera 4S comes with 20-inch Carrera S wheels, featuring a double-spoke design that adds to the car's sporty appearance. The wheels are wrapped in high-performance tires, providing exceptional grip and handling. And peeking out from behind the wheels, we can see the powerful brake calipers, painted in bright red to match the car's sporty vibe. Now let's step inside. As we open the door, take a look at the door seal, where you find the Carrera 4S badging. It's a subtle touch, but it's a reminder of the car's performance credentials. The interior is trimmed in rich black leather, which adds a touch of luxury to the cabin. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives or spirited driving sessions. As you can see, the rear seats are cozy. Let's just say it's best suited for small children or occasional use. Now let's take a look at the driver's domain. The steering wheel is perfectly sized and trimmed in leather, providing a comfortable grip during spirited driving. The center console is where you find the controls for the various driving modes, and you also find the button to drop down the roof. And of course, the gear selector for the 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Now let's move to the rear of the car. The first thing that catches your eye is the iconic rear design, featuring the distinctive LED tail lights and the rear spoiler. We have the Carrera 4S badging on the rear, a subtle reminder of the car's performance credentials. The Carrera 4S features a sport exhaust system, which not only enhances the car's performance, but also provides a more aggressive note. Overall, the rear of the Carrera 4S is a masterclass in design and functionality, combining iconic styling with impressive performance capability. This car is powered by a 3.8-liter naturally aspirated flat 6, pushing 400 horsepower and 440 Newton meters of torque.
Judges put in by Donald Trump overturned that in 2022, allowing some states to ban it completely.
What a major...
Finished in the stunning Anthracite Brown Metallic Spec, this 911 exudes elegance and sophistication. And there you have it, the 2013 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, a true driver's car with iconic design and raw power. But what truly sets this car apart is its place in history. The last non-turbocharged Carrera 4S model, a collector's dream and a final farewell to the naturally aspirated era. Thanks for joining me on this review of the iconic Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. If you liked the video, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more car reviews and content. Yeah, all good, man. Cheers, man.